Some big definition, SDI kind of setups, and that's a little bit too advanced for me, man.
And that's what I got, Mr. Good News, your friend truck waving, bum bum.
Well, I'll be doggone, I tee up everybody leaves. Ooh, that's bad.
Hey, Stop Doctor, you are blowing smoke. I think there's a big 10-alarm fire going on over at your place, Sparkomatics there.
That's my nationwide Good News 10-4 Rogers. I'm working about 31 degrees Celsius after all this dog time.
Roger, hey, you are blowing smoke for sure. Sounds good, too, man. You can cut out or fade out one time. Sparkomatic, I'm gonna set it well.
About it out there in the state of Florida. About it out there in the sand. About it out there in the sand pile. Be 97 in Illinois trying that road.